Yeah. Yeah, I'll blow it up. So we're at the Cape George Lighthouse, and we are going to stay at Cranberry Campground tonight because we would have liked to have boondocked, but we need to stay at a campground to dump our tanks and fill our water and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go there for the night, and then we're gonna head to Mike's friend Andrew's tomorrow. So we're just here checking out the Cape George Lighthouse, gonna cook some supper, and then head to that campground and call it a night.
I'm still convinced it's wrong. She's off, losing where she don't belong. So I linger and wait.
Would this not be the most awesome boondocking spot? I know there's no camping right there, but whatever that means.
I love Cape Breton Island!
Cape George.
She loved Cape Breton Island.
I love Cape Breton Island!
Okay.
Oh my God,
It seems that my time runs off at a careless pace.
big animals.
I can't stay.
It's not okay if you make money because I'm trying to use.
So just call me to tell me and make sure I comprehend.
Well, she's gonna lick it off. Alright, we're at Cranberry Campground. We just came from Cape George Lighthouse. Would have loved to stay there. There's a sign that says no camping. Nothing about no overnight parking. But we need to dump our sewers. I need to shower, as you can tell. And we are here for the night. And then there's a pool, so at least the girls can go swimming in the morning before we leave and head to Andrew's house. Alright, freshly showered from Cranberry Campground. We were gonna swim this morning, but the girls have voted on going to a splash pad instead, so we're gonna go to a playground and splash pad for the morning, and then we are going to go see Mike's friend Andrew. And that's our plans for today. So we're here at Milltown Farm, and we are about to feed the pigs.
So we're here at my buddy Andrew's house, feeding all his animals. We just fed the pigs and we put away the laying hens for the night. We got some meat birds over here, getting some more food for them. And yeah, it's great seeing him again. So
What did he cook us for dinner?
some meat birds on the rotisserie. It was pretty tasty.
Check out the honeybees. Well, other bees are called bumblebees.
Sure.
This one's the kind-
in my hair first.
Yeah, don't swat at it.
Alright, so just leaving Andrew. Ivy,
In a
1 minute,
second.
1 minute. Just leaving Andrew and Aaron's house. Thank you so much for your hospitality. Ivy is missing you guys a lot right now, and the kids. And we are we are really grateful for your wonderful hospitality. So thank you so much.
We had a great time. It was really nice seeing everybody again. Thanks
And
again.
now we're heading across the Pictou Causeway or bridge, not sure what it is. And we have a random beach plugged in, so that's where we're going right now to see if we can boondock there for the night. And Ivy says, "Well, we miss you."